Alright, this will be a little short because it's still raining. The wind was so strong it blew away a part of my weather station, so I can't really tell you how much rain has fallen, but it's been a good amount. We had wind gusts yesterday of 80 kilometers, and that's what took an important part of my weather station away. It's somewhere in the village or down the mountain a bit. So the boys are wet, the grass is wet, the canals are filled, the wild boar are back. Not in this pasture, but in another one. So there's that to work with. But I'm here just to say hello before I have other things to do. Yes, Ormond, are you finding some grass to eat? So it's just a quick hello, walk around the pastures. And the rain has subsided for the moment. But I want to see whoa! I slid down the mountain a bit. Anyway, I want to see how some of the grass I planted in the fall is doing here in midwinter. This is all taken down. This is from a boar or a group of boar rooting around down here, so I don't expect grass to be here. They did a pretty good job of removing everything. So some of it has sprouted, some has survived the various rootings by the boar. Little sprouts. This is brome. This, I think, is natural here. It's kind of fescue. This is all brome I planted last spring. There are several types of fescue. I don't know where I put what. Red fescue and tall fescue, I believe I scattered around. And it didn't really take because we had such a weird spring weather-wise. No rain at all. And then about a week we got several inches, and then nothing, of course, until September. So from a very dry spring to like giving to us all in a week didn't really do much for the grass growing. And you may wonder why there are so many, we would say, bald spots or grassless areas. It's because this area was covered by brooms or scobas, which are now piled there. Some are burned, and they prevented the grass from growing. And we'll see how easy it'll be to get the grass to repopulate this slope. All right, boys, I've talked a lot. I've got other things to do. Glad you're out and munching on some very short pastos or grasses. Okay, adios.